If you want to start dropshipping in 2024, then make sure you watch this entire video to the very end, because I'm going to talk about what not to do in dropshipping and what steps you need to take to make a successful store. Now, I have been dropshipping for the last few years and I have made some decent money from it. Now, if you're unsure what dropshipping is like running an online store without stocking any products. Instead, when someone buys from your store, you purchase the product from a third party who then ships it directly to your customer. So you never handle the product yourself. You're essentially the middleman between the customer and the supplier, and you make money from the price difference between what the customer pays and what you pay the supplier. Now, if you've watched some of my videos, you'll see some of the methods I've used when it comes to dropshipping, and I've mainly been using TikTok to promote and find my winning products. However, I've got a very unique tool which I've also been using, which has allowed me to make a lot of money, and I'll touch on what this tool is later on in the video. Now, dropshipping is not as easy as some of these online gurus make it out to be. You might have seen a ton of videos on YouTube that show you it's extremely easy to make money dropshipping. And although it may look easy online, when it comes to actually doing it, it's not as easy. Some of these people don't even give you the right steps that you need to take to make dropshipping actually work. Dropshipping needs to be done correctly in making it work. That's why a lot of times people who start dropshipping for the very first time, without knowing properly how to dropship, end up losing a lot of money, especially through ads. But today I'm going to explain the best steps that you can take when dropshipping and what to avoid when it comes to making your store successful, as well as show you a tool that can make dropshipping and finding your winning product extremely easy. Now, when it comes to dropshipping, the number one thing that you first try to look for is your winning product. Now, a lot of people try to find it through TikTok, which is something I have also recommended in the past. However, sometimes you can see a video has gone viral on a product, but that doesn't always mean it's a product that's doing well. And sometimes it can be hard to judge to see if a product is doing well or not to sell. This is where the sponsor of this video, Minea, come in. Minea is the best all-in-one solution which will help scale your store and boost your profits. And what Minea allows you to do is catch product trends to find your winning product, allows you to spot your competitors' strategies, which will then allow you to target the right customer. Now, I have been using Minea for some of my dropshipping stores, and honestly, it's by far one of the best tools I have used. So you're probably asking, what is Minea? Minea is an amazing product research tool, because not only does it allow you to spy on other dropshippers' winning products, but it also allows you to spy on their ad creatives as well. So if we start with ads, you can browse ads from Facebook, TikTok, and even Pinterest. You can then even set up a date range. For example, the last 30 days. So this would mean that these are the most recent products being advertised. You can even add extra filters like is dropshipping and search specifically for videos. And once you do that, you just keep scrolling until you find a product that catches your eye. Now, once you find a product you like, you can see the competitor's dropshipping website. But not only that, you can even download the ad creatives that this competitor is running. Now, that's just one of many features. Another amazing feature for Minea is their magic search tool. Now, this is one of my personal favorites. In the magic search, you can either enter the product name or even upload an image of that product. And Minea will show you every single competitor who is running ads for it. You can also search through premium lists which are constantly being updated to find the top 100 winning products to either advertise on Facebook, Pinterest, or TikTok. They also have daily winning products for each social media platform. This takes out the guesswork into you finding your winning product and allows you to choose one that is working well for others. You can also go onto the product itself and click on where it says find suppliers on AliExpress, and what it will do is find all the suppliers on AliExpress selling that exact same product. And what's also cool about Minea is that you can also do a one-click import of a product that is being used on another dropshipping store. And when you do that, it will then show you some pre-generated titles that you could use, or you could create a custom title. You can also add your features for the product, or you can select from the pre-generated features on the right. But not only that, you can edit the product description to your liking. You can then select the images you like and then import it onto your Shopify website with a click of a button. Now, you can get started on Minea and try it today for completely free by using my link below in the description. And if you do want to unlock Minea's full capabilities and purchase their paid subscription, then make sure to use code ALAN20 for 20% off. Again, one of the best tools to help kickstart your dropshipping venture. Now, once you have found your winning product, then what's next? Well, then you'll need to create a Shopify website. Now, you can use other websites. However, the most popular one is Shopify because of its ease and how well it's priced. You can sign up to Shopify for free for 3 days. But not only that, your first month will only cost you $1. This gives you plenty of time to start creating your website and promoting your product. Also, guys, if you are enjoying the video so far, make sure you smash that subscribe button, as it helps the channel out a lot and allows me to bring you the best content for you guys. Now, when it comes to creating your Shopify store, you need to make it extremely simple and easy to understand. You don't want to complicate the website for your potential customers. Let me show you a good example website. Now, if you have a look at this website, this is a very good website. You can see it looks good and everything is easy to read. Now, if we go onto the product page, you have a very good description. You also have a few GIFs. So creating a good website is extremely important because you want to be able to convert those potential customers into actual customers. And your website will be the last hurdle in doing so. Now, once you have created your website, you'll then need to promote it via ads. Now, I will say the best way to promote your products in 2024 is through TikTok. Facebook was used a lot in the last few years, but in my opinion, TikTok has definitely taken over. Now, a lot of people think that to make money through dropshipping that you need to pay for ads. Now, there is a half truth in that. Most times I would agree it's true. However, you can also make money through dropshipping without spending a single penny. And the way to do that would be you'd create a TikTok page around your store, you'd add your website link in your bio, you'd order the product and make viral videos around the product, you'd then upload it onto TikTok, and if that video does do well, you'll have a bunch of people who will go onto your store and purchase your product, allowing you to make a lot of sales. Let me show you a good example.
This is the best way to spread butter. Just insert a lump through the top, wait for it to melt, and when you press the button, it will spray a fine mist of butter onto your cookware, your popcorn, your cereal, and your toast. This is an anesthetic oil dispenser. You fill one side with oil, one side with vinegar, and it looks really cool. This vibrator automatically stirs food in your pan and has 3 speed options so you can leave the hob unattended. And when you put grapes or tomatoes between this tool, you can cut thousands in half every minute without cutting your hands.
Now, there are a lot of YouTubers who have made this happen, so it's definitely not impossible. However, personally, I would prefer to pay for ads. So if you do have some money to put in, I would highly recommend going through the ads route, as I feel like the potential to make money through ads is a lot easier and allows you to learn what works and what doesn't. Not only that, but remember you're competing with dropshippers, who some of them are investing thousands and thousands of dollars into their ads. Now, albeit a lot of you won't be able to do that, so I'd recommend investing as little as $50 to $100 on ads, make some money through your store, and constantly reinvesting that money back into paid ads. Don't make the mistake of keeping the money for personal use. If you are serious with making money through dropshipping, you'll want to constantly reinvest and scale your store. Now guys, if you are interested in learning more about dropshipping, well, I have my own Discord group called the Ultimate World Circle, in which it's a group which allows you to network with other like-minded people and learn ways to make money online. There are multiple groups for making money online for YouTube, TikTok, affiliate marketing, as well as dropshipping. You can join for as little as $11.99 for a limited time. So if you are serious with trying to learn dropshipping and scaling your store, and you need some help or guidance along the way, as well as wanting to network with like-minded individuals, then make sure you click my link below in the description, choose between my 2 plans, and join the #1 network of like-minded individuals. And if you are interested in how to do paid ads the correct way, well, I have made a full video on a low-budget TikTok ads. So if you do want to watch that video, then make sure you click just over here, and I'll see you guys there.